Oh, ecstatic! Now run it through again, Walnut.
Oh, she's cooking. Oh, dear.
Yeah. That's better. Perfect. We're gonna be rich.
Yeah, the richest dogs in the hospital. Besides, who wants a bunch of cheap plastic toys?
Plastic, wood, it doesn't matter. My machine makes them look like old metal. Very collectible and very expensive.
Look at it. That phony's making fake antiques. Pretty tacky.
Tacky, but dangerous.
Now wrap it up and ship it, bonehead.
So that's where my kids got that styrofoam? Come on, pups, we gotta shut this operation down.
Oh, uno momento, lady. Who's in charge here, you or me?
Well, you are. Now get your flea-ridden rump up there and let's unplug that gizmo.
Yeah, that's better.
Boy, Charlie, you sure told her.
Yuck!
Look out, he's gonna crush us. Run!
Bingo! We'll just unplug it. Maybe we can yank a fuse or something instead.
But how are we gonna get there, Charlie?
Leave that to me. Okay. Hang on.
Hey! What's the big idea?
I didn't do anything.
Charlie, Amscray, Aune, go!
What? Speak up, bitch.
Bail, kiddo! Abort mission!
Look, lady, okay? Don't be telling me what to... Oh, that's it. I've had it!
But you can't go.
Oh, no. Watch me.
Charles, I've never known you to be a quitter.
Look, Annabelle, I've been gassed, slimed, washed away, stepped on, and steam cleaned. This is not my idea of a good time.
No? Then think about the mice. They live with this every day.